Did I ever tell you what the definition of insanity is? Nah, it ain't what you think. It's racing monster trucks. They're not built for it, not even a little bit. So naturally, that's what Sophia and her friends want to do. Wait, don't tell me. You're in on it too. Of course you are. Well, get ready to roll, because roll is exactly what those suckers are going to do on you if you're not careful.
I hear these trucks aren't built for speed, but that's never stopped me before.
The beach is where you're gonna make or break this run. Gear yourself up for it. You're on a roll. Now just don't roll your truck. Keep tearing up that track. That's what it was made for.
Thing is, when you play the sort of games we do, all day, every day, people might think you're just a little immature.
Darling, if you don't mind my saying so, they ain't entirely wrong.
Yeah, okay, but even if I don't take myself seriously, I do things seriously. I can outfly you and outdrive you any day of the week, and then stealth prank you on the weekend.
Stealth prank? Really? That's not even a word. See what I have to put up with? But they're missing the point. We've got the big toys. Why not make a big noise? Let me give it to you straight. We cook up something new, we try it, we fail, we try again till we get it right. Want a car to be more than a car? Jack it up and see what you get. Same with a plane or a boat.
Isn't that how jet sprint got started in the US? Two guys had a few too many and decided they wanted to race boats in a parking lot. So they grabbed a shovel.
If you can find your way around a toolbox, you'll be fine.
That was totally crazy. I loved it. Let's do it again sometime, only bigger and better.